Hi friends! Welcome to Learning Step by Step. Today, we're going to learn about some colors. Are you ready? Let's go! That's the color red. What can we find that is red? Wagon! Wagon! Fire truck! Fire truck! Strawberry! Strawberry! Ladybug! Ladybug! That's amazing! That's the color orange. What can we find that is orange? Basketball. Basketball. Carrot. Carrot. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Peach. Peach. That's amazing! That's the color yellow. What can we find that is yellow? Chick. Chick. School bus. School bus. Corn. Corn. Cheese. Cheese. That's amazing! That's the color green. What can we find that is green? Frog. Frog. Grass. Grass. Leaf. Leaf. Green beans. Green beans. That's amazing! That's the color blue. What can we find that is blue? Balloon. Balloon. Blueberries. Blueberries. Coral. Coral. Jeans. Jeans. That's amazing! That's the color purple. What can we find that is purple? Grapes. Grapes. Eggplant. Eggplant. Plum. Plum. Flower. Flower. That's amazing! That's the color pink. What can we find that is pink? Cupcake. Cupcake. Ice cream. Ice cream. Bow. Bow. Pig. Pig. That's amazing! That's the color brown. What can we find that is brown? Bear. Bear. Boots. Boots. Chocolate. Chocolate. Hat. Hat. That's amazing! That's the color white. What can we find that is white? Cloud. Cloud. Milk. Milk. Tooth. Tooth. Snowman. Snowman. That's amazing! That's the color black. What can we find that is black? Crow. Crow. Spider. Spider. Sunglasses. Sunglasses. Wheel. Wheel. That's amazing! Great job, kids! Thanks for watching! Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of new videos. See you soon!